Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we understood the purpose of default methods and we saw that practically. Okay, one more interesting topic is here. As you all know that there's an object class in Java language and it's present in object java.lang package. Okay, there it is. And if I open this class, there are multiple methods. I just want to highlight one method here. That is hash code. Okay, so this method is, it's not implemented. It's native in nature. That means the implementation will come from the underlying OS in some native OS language. So mostly C or some other languages which this operating system is developed. Okay, but we are not here for native keyword. We have to just focus on public int hashcode, and there is no implementation of this method. Somehow, luckily or by mistake or just intentionally, I just want to add this method. The idea is I just want to give a default implementation for hashcode method. Equals and hashcode, they are really popular in Java language, and they play really well when it comes to some kind of implementation in collections. So they play a really significant role there. If you don't know what is the role of hashcode and equals and how they work with collection, let me know, because right now I have not created any video on collection framework. Let me know in the comment section. If you want some videos on collections, let me know. I'll definitely create some videos on it soon. Okay, so idea is I just want to have hash code for my child classes. So what I can do, uh, of course I have to go with default keyword, right? So public default, and I need hash code, so that goes in int type, and just want to return 1, anything, just int value. But I'm getting error. That's weird, right? It was not giving when I have a team method. Why for hash code? So message says a default method cannot override a method from java.lang.object class. So this is happening because we have this method present in object class without any implementation. So why it's coming on interface? That's weird, right? Because in future you have to you know implement this interface, and some child class like chess class implements playable. So by default, chess having you know default implementation from here. Plus chess class is also a child of object class, so from inheritance that method is also coming. So compiler gets confused from where should I pick the implementation. So they have restricted it till in that interface itself. So it never goes to the child classes. So once you have a method which is already present in object class in this format, you cannot give its implementation as a default method. So that's totally restricted. So you cannot be sure that what method you are going to make default. You can have default methods, but you have to be very sure that that method should not be present in object class as this way, without any implementation. If I try to override or give one method, let's say I want to try to this equals method, so that's possible, and but you have to make sure that you don't have a same signature. If I pick this thing as it is, okay, let's try this one. So boolean, this is wrong, so let's try this out. Okay, I just did that and it needs boolean value, so let's say true, semicolon, and same message that default method cannot override a method from lang object. So any method present in object class, you cannot give them default in your interfaces, because this whole interface is going to be implemented by some class, and that class is directly or indirectly extending the object class. So take this rule, you should not create default methods which are already present in object classes. So that's one thumb rule, just take care of that and you will be good to go. In next video we will see what happens when you have multiple interfaces with the same method. I'm talking about interfaces this time, not classes. So how to resolve it? Child classes. So stay tuned guys, let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.